More speed bumps? More traffic? More chaos? More problems? Maybe with some things, more is just, well, more. Unfortunately, Alex also had more is better mentality when he chose software to run his business. He bought a separate software for each need. Then, he struggled to learn each one, pay for each one, and ramp up his team for each one. But the real trouble came when he thought he could make them all work together. That didn't work out very well for Alex. Meet Carrie. Carrie knows that quantity is not better than quality when it comes to software. And that's why she chose SuiteDash, the all-in-one business software suite. SuiteDash helps Carrie organize and automate her business. She has everything she needs to collaborate with her team and with her clients. She efficiently manages projects, builds marketing campaigns, and chats in real time with her team. The well-designed CRM and client onboarding automations smoothly integrate into her website. Her clients can easily access the portal to complete tasks, pay invoices, and upload or retrieve files. And because the whole experience is fully white-labeled with her branding, she is confident that her clients will be impressed. Plus, as Carrie's business grows, she can add more staff, more client portals, and more projects for no additional cost with SuiteDash's unlimited pricing model. Her success is being noticed by other business owners, and she's more than happy to share her secret. If you want to organize and automate your business to empower the next level of success, get started with your free SuiteDash trial today.
Hi guys, this video is going to be on how to create a test client. So one of the most efficient ways to get started with SuiteDash and understand how it's working is to create a test client. To do this, you'll need a unique email address that you control, so something like an alternate email address, or if you know the Google unique email hack, which I'll show you here in a second, that's a very good way as well to have a unique email address for this. So we want to start with adding a new contact. And from here, we're just going to choose the role. In this case, we're going to choose client. We're going to leave this checked, send email immediately, and we're going to fill in some of the information here. And here's where you would put in this unique email address, or if you have a Gmail account or a G Suite account, you can use this trick. Okay, and you have your original email in here, but now all you need to do is click right here and do a plus symbol, and anything you put here, it doesn't matter. It will be delivered to demo@suitedash.com or whatever your Gmail or G Suite address is. And this can be Gmail, or in your case of G Suite, it can be your domain name. So this will be delivered to demo@suitedash.com, and later if I wanted to make more test clients, I could do things like 2, I could change it to 25, I could change it to 2000. It doesn't matter what I change any of this part to, it will be delivered to demo@suitedash.com. And really that's the last required field, so let's go down and click add. And then you'll need to look for that email. Okay, so here's that email, but it's important to know that you shouldn't click this button if you're logged in this browser already as your admin user. So what you will want to do, this is Chrome, you would want to open something like Firefox or Safari or Microsoft Edge, or you can use this trick by using what's called an incognito window in Chrome. So here's the incognito window, and basically here you're using a separate browser. In Firefox it's called a new private window, or however, you just need to be logged in to a different browser as your client than you are as your admin. So the way to do this is to right click here, copy link address, then go to your new browser. Here we're in incognito, and I'm just going to paste the email address, Control V, paste the email address into that browser and hit enter. And now all the information is filled in. I simply have to choose a time zone and a password. And save. Okay, and now I'm logged in as the sample client, the test client. And now I can start to experiment by creating client pages or sharing files or creating invoices and projects for this client. And you can use the separate browser to see exactly what the client will see when I make an action on the admin side. Okay. So now you know how to make a test client and start to experiment with SuiteDash. Hi everyone. One of the questions we get occasionally is, can we make a unique announcement for each client? Well, the answer is no. You can only set up announcements for the role of client, and every client that logs in will see the same announcement. However, You can personalize the announcements with their name, last name, any other custom fields that you have set up. It would have a placeholder provided. If you look at edit, you'll see placeholders are here, but if you wanted to insert another placeholder, you can just use this placeholder UI and select the placeholder from here, and we'll insert that, and then that data will be replaced based on which client is logged in. So that leads to a nice little hack that we want to talk about today. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one and fix everything. But if you look here at announcement alpha, now maybe that's not a general custom field like you might think of, first name, last name, or something like that. But if you think of it in terms of an announcement that's specific only to this client, then maybe it starts to make sense. So let's go look at the custom fields. Okay, so I'm inside the client profile for Quentin Tarantino, and I'm going to go ahead and look at dynamic data here. And this is the fastest way for me to change the data associated with each custom field. And down at the bottom, announcement alpha, I'll just enter a message here. Certainly unique to Quentin Tarantino, and then maybe we'll put in a few other retirement target and account balance. We'll say he's got $565,000. Okay, so these are just a few of those values that we saw in the announcement. Let's click save, and now let's log in as Quentin Tarantino. Okay, I'm in a new browser, an incognito browser. I'm now logging in as Quentin Tarantino, and let's see what my announcement looks like. It's the same announcement as all the other clients get, but here's my welcome Quentin Tarantino, here's my balance, and here's my message to Quentin. And of course you can format this however you like, but this is unique to Quentin Tarantino, and so is this, and so are the other placeholders. So this is a way that you can take a general announcement and really customize it, even down to the point of creating a very large, if you'll notice where I was editing this was a paragraph field, so you could place a couple paragraphs there, and that could be a very large custom message, especially for this one particular client. And you could do that for each client, and each client would see a different message based on your needs. Alright, so not sure if that's a tip or a trick, but maybe a little bit of both. Enjoy.